Hi guys, this is Samuel. Today I'll show you how to re-upload a FanGame to archive.org. So first you want to create your profile, and after that you're going to want to hit upload. It's going to take you to this page. Now we want to press again upload files, and now we want to choose our files. So I'm going to go where I keep my lost game stuff, where I normally upload them. In this folder specifically where I keep FanGames I think are deleted or can be deleted. And let me just pick the exe I'm going to use for this example, which is the Return to Freddy's Classic Recoded Halloween Edition demo. And let me just use this fixogram. Now, after we type out the name, we're going to write about what we know about our game. So let me just type it out real quickly. Okay, now after we type that out, we're just going to type out credits. I'm going to give credits to the original creator. So let me just go to archive, and let me, because I already uploaded one of these creators games, one of the games, which is, let me just fucking find it right here, which is One Night in Springtrap. So you want to type out the creator's name here, basically. Type out the creator's name, in which case I don't have to, because I have the creator's name here, which is Zero with the Shura. And if they went by older username in game, like they did, then you just type out then known as txt as their old username, which in this case is txd1230, and type out what they did. Now you just also copy the create thing in there, and you now want to pick a collection, and depends what if you're archiving. Obviously, because we're archiving a FanGame, I'm going to press software. Now the date, I'm not exactly sure. So, but if you know the date of your FanGame, or at least the, date of it. So let's say it was made in 2022 or 2023. Just type out the date there, and then we want the most important thing, subject tags. Now, subject tags work with this system. So let's just type out FNaF. I don't know how it's fucking called. You just type the little dot with the fucking line thing. And you're going to do another one, and then do a space. Now what I like to do, so I don't have to type all this shit out, is basically go to a FanGame that already is either related to this or isn't, or you just copy one of the topics from my other game pages. So let's just take this one, and done. And now we're going to want to add an image. So let's now, because I can't really find any specific type of image for, let's just say you can't find the GameJolt thumbnail or whatever for the GameJolt page. So what I like to do is open the exe, select snipping tool, and screenshot it, or however you want to screenshot the fucking thing. I'm going to save this image on my PC, press select or add files, and go to the image I chose. Now I'm going to check all of this again to make sure it's accurate. I'm going to add a load here, and yeah, I want to click upload item. And now, because archive.org servers are really slow, it may take a while, but eventually it will upload. So let me just unpause. So I'm going to pause this now. I'm going to unpause it when the upload is done. Okay, so after an hour, finally fucking uploaded. Now let's say on the page you want to add more information, or you found new information. So click on edit. Fucking hurry up. Okay, so you can either change the files, so you can add more files, or you can change the information. So for this instance, let's just change the information. Now you can change the title, the creator, the media type. You can't change media type, fuck. You can change these too, and you can change the description. Now for the date, I actually did find out the date. I found out the date, which was 2022 October 21st. So it's the 21st October. Now you can type out. So here's the. So you can add more info here. So I also added date here, and now you want to click submit. And after a few minutes, the changes will appear on the page. And if you click on your profile link, the package will be here. So let's say we also have a folder like this, which is an unpackaged game, which prevents false positives. So what you will do with these is you zip them. So you just go here, press zip, or if you have 7-zip, you just compress it. So with 7-zip, you just go and you just add to archive. Okay. And essentially, this is how you deal with these types of packages. Now, last few things I want to mention is if by any reason your upload gets taken down mysteriously because it's a false positive, create a game shop page. So what you can do is just let me just start gameshop.com, go around, take this that page, whatever. What you can do is if it's getting taken down because of false positive in the upload, just create a re-uploads page on GameJolt and always create the original creator and shit. Now you don't want to upload Jolly Bees, and you don't want to re-upload FNaF to open source, but you can re-upload basically anything else. Make sure you just have, obviously good data and shit, and yeah. So this is how you should normally archive and re-upload FNaF FanGames. You also have the Lost FNaF FanGame server, which you can join today. It features a lot of cool archives, and it features a whole community you can talk to, and archival images, and archival videos, and watch previous video how to archive game job pages if you want more info. So anyways, yeah, I've been this Simone, and bye.